tested.
Yeah, and we found a very good price for Durian. Oh, looks good. Very.
Okay, so here we are on our way
I don't know why
to
they use
Sunset,
this one to choose.
Sea Sunset, a hotel type, bar type
Okay.
place right on the ocean front so we can look
Okay,
at the
this
sunset.
is,
And we ran into a
264.
durian truck. And of course, this is the fruit that somebody we know likes more than anything. But for some reason, Anna loves this stuff. Anna's practicing her Thai. She's doing very well at it.
คุณชื่ออะไรคะ คุณอายุเท่าไหร่ค่ะเป๊ะ
He's 8 years old.
Wow.
And here we are, the cutting pro. Look at that thing. That's one chunk of fruit in there. I guess you're going to get 3 pieces.
คุณทำตี
ขอบคุณครับ
มาทำมันอยู่ที่ไหนที่ไหนที่ไหน
นครศรี
เอ๊ะ
นครศรี
นาโคเท
นคร
Okay I don't know where
ครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Anyway, and it was only 130 baht per kilo, which was some of the lowest. We've seen 210 and 180, so this was really low.
Here we are
Again, waiting for we are at CSUN, and in the background there is Big Buddha. And there's a
We used to sit over there to watch the sunset, but now it's not a very good season for the sunset.
Here, the sun should be going down way out on the right there into the ocean, but now it's going down behind the mountains. So, but that's okay.
Cheers.
Yeah, finish. Yeah. 2 beer or one? Just one, and another cold glass, please.
Thank you.
Are these the filmers now? And we're right by the airport. And in comes a flight from Bangkok Airways from Bangkok. That airline company, Bangkok Air, owns the airport. We've done a video on it before. It's an amazing airport. And there's some people from Korea enjoying the food. Anyway, I was saying they're sneaky. You get 2 beer, buy one, get one free, but only between 3 and 5. Sunset's usually at 6 or 6:15, so when they get really full at sunset. Lots of places to sit and watch, but they don't have their drink special. Closer to sunset. Pool table. That room off to the left there, not this one, but the previous one, that's for the foreigners who like air conditioning, so they can go in there with their laptops and do their online work. And this is the road in front. And that house straight up there with the red roof, that's the one I was looking at for a long time. I just recognized it when I came out of this building. And here we have our durian, which somebody is obsessed with eating.
Look at the baby.
I can't even let it near me. And I've convinced her to put it in the fridge in a container so that everything in the fridge doesn't smell like durian.
Very creamy.
She loves it. Okay.
Thank you.